Hi, this is Mary. I would like to show you a 2019 CrossRoads Volante 22RB. One thing that I really like about this unit is there's a power jack, which makes setting up and leaving a lot easier. Then you've got a power awning on the outside of this unit, which is about 17 feet long. You've got outside speakers that goes with that, which really helps your environment outside. You're going to keep the sun off of your head and the rain off of your neck and enjoy outside living, which is what you want to do when you go camping. The storage on this unit is great. The underbelly storage, pass-through underbelly storage, is really big. You can fit, practically a kayak in that storage bin. Definitely lawn chairs, campfire wood, whatever you need. And then the sink on the inside as you go in, the kitchen is a really nice layout, really deep sink that you can put a pretty big size pot in that unit and be able to wash all your dishes, have nice counter space. Then I like the idea of this unit, how there's a separate bath. There's tons of storage in the bathroom itself, and it's separate from the bedroom. There is a nice big closet on the side as soon as you go in. Gives you tons of space to store all your gear. It's a really big closet. If you have any questions about this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty, please give me a call, 406-850-4590. My name is Mary, and I'd love to help you. Thanks.